Hi guys, I am back here with another vlog. If you didn't already subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. It will be a great help. Today I am going to do an unboxing of Dell Inspiron 15 7000 2-in-1 laptop. This is my second laptop. I bought this one directly from the Dell website here in Australia, and it costs about $2,948.99. Also, when you are going to buy a laptop from Dell, don't forget to check the discounts. From time to time, they publish several certain percentage of discounts with their products. I also got some discount with my laptop. With the box, we are getting the device, a charger, instruction manual, and a warranty card. And also, we are getting active penny stylus. With the stylus, you will also get a battery, and you can replace it when needed. Some specifications of this laptop are it has a 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 4.7 gigahertz. Operating system is Windows 10 Home, 64-bit. Video card is Intel Iris Xe graphics with shared graphics memory. Display is 15.6-inch Full HD touch screen, and it also has active pen support. It also has 16 GB DDR4 memory. Hard drive is 512 GB solid state drive or SSD. My laptop comes with a platinum silver LCD cover. We are also getting 1 year in-home hardware service as warranty. Also, it has two USB 3.2 generation 1 type A ports, one Thunderbolt type C port with power share and display port, one headset, that means headphone and microphone combo port, one HDMI 1.4 port, and it also has a micro SD card slot. When it comes to the keyboard is a backlit keyboard. The front camera is 720p HD camera, and when it comes to the audio and speakers, it has two microphones in the front and two speakers in the bottom. Also, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Some other functions, it have express charge. That means you can charge your battery from 0 to 80% in about an hour. One of the main features I like about this laptop is the Thunderbolt 4 port. It's a USB type C port, and it allows you to charge your laptop, connect to multiple devices, and enjoy data transfers up to 80 GBs per second. That is 8 times that of a USB 3.1 generation 1 port. It also has a all new webcam privacy shutter that provides security you can trust and control. With Dell Mobile Connect, you can make calls, send text, get notification, and even mirror your phone onto your PC to interact with all your favorite apps. So guys, that's it for the product specifications and details. Enjoy the rest of the video, and keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. As I mentioned earlier, if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, and it will be a great help. Enjoy the video and see you soon.